Alright, so I rearranged the bird room. There's Diva. I don't know if you can see, but, and there's Coral. She stayed in the same spot. Sorry, there's some seeds on the floor because somebody decided to throw them. I moved Xena over by the window. Back where she was originally. And then Sierra is by the closet so she can learn how to be a bird and not be so dependent. And of course, there's their TV and DVDs. So I've taken Sierra's Boing out to wash it. That's why it's not in her cage. So we'll see how she does. And there's Miss Gray herself. And then little Sierra, or Coral, taking a few drinks of water. And just a little view of some of her toys. And the friendly feeder that's on there. Just going down to her. Where's she going? Going to her nut dish to see that there's no nuts in there because it's not treat time yet. So, and then this, of course, is Miss Diva's cage. And her hanging out on her favorite little spot to hang out over here on this side. Hi, what are you doing? What are you doing? How are you, honey? How are you? You okay? Holly, want a cracker? Yeah, you want a cracker? Huh? You're so pretty. Are you a pretty bird? You're a pretty bird. Oh, yeah, you're a pretty bird. What is it? What is it? Okay. Alright. Do you want some? It's there. Snack. I know, it was your snack. You made a mess of it. Thank you for cleaning it up. Thank you for cleaning it up. Here, another piece.